If you're non-compliant with the doctor's instructions, can you be partially at fault for causing your own injuries? Would you like to learn the answer to that? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The short answer is yes, you can. The longer answer is here's why you can be found partially responsible if you are non-compliant. Now, if you're going to bring a case against a doctor or a hospital claiming that they did or didn't do something, and as a result of that, you suffered injury, significant or disabling injuries, the defense will often turn around and look for different ways that you did or did not do something that may have contributed to your own injuries. Maybe the doctor told you to do something, such as take a particular medication, and for whatever reason, you didn't do it. Maybe the doctor told you to follow up with a particular specialist, and again, for whatever reason, you didn't do it. And had you taken those steps, the argument goes, you then would have been seen by other people who then would have had another opportunity to diagnose and treat you correctly. And because you did not take those steps, you now lost the opportunity to get treated, to get better, and to have a better outcome. So the defense will often look for ways to find out whether or not you are compliant. In fact, they will ask you what exactly you did following each of the doctor's visits. They will ask the doctor, "Doctor, was Mrs. Jones compliant with the instructions you gave her?" If you are non-compliant, there is a good chance that a jury will ultimately turn around and say, hey, you were partially responsible for causing or contributing to your own injuries. So what does that actually mean? It means that if you are awarded money at the end of the case, what happens is that the jury will determine by what percentage you caused or contributed to your injuries, which means that will then reduce the amount of money that you are going to be able to receive as a result of your own non-compliance. So why do I even tell you this? I tell you this to give you an insight and an understanding into how the litigation process works, to give you a different view of what occurs from the defense side, so that you can actually see that just because you bring a lawsuit does not automatically mean that the defense, the doctor or the hospital, may be totally at fault here. You may have contributed to your own injuries. Hopefully that's not the case, but it's important for you to understand this concept as you begin to proceed and question whether or not something was done wrong. So if you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. This is what I do every single day, and I answer legal questions just like yours, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.